Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram reel covers in Canva step by step in 2026. So your profile looks clean, consistent, and instantly clickable. Most of people focus only on the reel video itself, but the cover is what people actually see first on your profile. A good cover makes your content look professional and increases taps. Start by opening Canva and choosing Instagram reel size, which is 1080 by 1920 pixels. This ensures the cover looks sharp in full screen view. Now here's an important detail. Instagram crops reel covers into a square on your profile grid, so always keep your main text and subject centered in the middle safe zone. Next, choose a strong background. This can be a solid color, gradient, or a clear image related to your reel topic. Avoid clutter. Simple backgrounds make text easier to read. Add a short headline. Keep it to 3 or 4 words maximum. Use bold fonts that are readable even on small screens. Your goal is clarity, not decoration. If you're using a photo, crop it tightly so the subject is visible inside the square preview. Faces, gestures, or objects with direction work especially well. Color consistency matters a lot. Use the same font styles and colors across all your reel covers. This creates a clean grid look and makes your profile instantly recognizable. Before exporting, zoom out and preview how the cover will look as a small square. If the text is still readable and the design feels balanced, you're good to go. Download the cover as a high-quality PNG and upload it when posting your reel. Select it manually so Instagram doesn't auto-pick a random frame. And that's how to create Instagram reel covers in Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped improve your profile, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva and content creation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.